All right, finally, the AI Builder is live in high level. For me, I'm using it in the staging server at the time of me recording this. Depending on when you're watching this, if it's April, you're probably already seeing it in your account. And I couldn't be more excited for a couple of reasons. Number one, we can now vibe code funnels, websites, connect the calendar, connect the forms, connect everything inside of high level in this one AI studio. So I've always used Lovable for vibe coding and multiple other tools. And now we can finally do this inside of high level. So I got so much more to film and share with you. But in this video, I just want to show you kind of how it looks. It's on a staging server for me right now as I'm filming this. But for you, it's going to look a little bit different. But the core functionality, the UI of it, it's beautiful. It's great. It's very similar to Lovable, which I like because simplicity, reliability, and just you can just say exactly what you want. You don't have to use manual drag and drop. It's just all chatting and then getting the outcome that you want. You can add your links and say clone this. You can add screenshots and say build it like this. You can clone your other sites that you have by just putting the URL in the chat. And you can also just put a short prompt in there saying generate a real estate funnel, create a fitness coaching page, etc. So this is what it looks like right now. We can see a couple different examples here. This is one that I just put in there. You can see the reference image. And then I said, recreate this exact header and hero section, but change the image to something else so it's unique. Copy the colors, fonts, branding, visual identity, button borders, radius spacing, background, every other element, and then it recreated this. This is just one prompt. You can see it animated this thing. You can see it's just the hero section, as I said. But now I can say add hover animations to client logos, or I can say create the About Us section below. When I click this, what I love is that it suggests the next thing, the next step of the development. And so I just click it and then it starts building. I can screenshot, drag the image in here and say, change this. Never just completely copy someone else's brand or design or text, but you can model it and say, copy this part, but make it my own, add a twist to it. Use their brand colors, but make it warmer. Or model this font. I really like how clean it is. And so speak to it like you would speak to a 5-year-old. Very simple, very childish, very direct, like people from Finland. Next is we have this one. This is a webinar opt-in page, and I just said build out a webinar opt-in page. Add what it's about, the headline, add a logo, email. Obviously, these are fake domains. Add this, add a countdown timer, and then this would be connected to a form. Added logos. Why listen to me? You can continue just adding more to it by going here, add a sort of gradient to the background. It's going to continue building as you saw in the previous version. We'll come back to this one in a second. There'll be a short beep notification when it's done, and then you can come in here and you can see this is the next one. If there's anything with the images that you don't like, you can say crop this or change it to a different style of image. All of that is just going to be here. Implement the testimonial section. We're going to add that. Going to this one. This one I really like. These light, sort of white, vanilla, orange, warm type of colors, especially for a specific feminine brand with this instrument serif type font. I like those, and I keep the background very clean, very simple. At first, it generated just the image here, and I said add a couple of layers like name and role, and maybe the results with a shadow, and just make it have more personality and a couple different layers, so it's more of a custom graphic. Animated PR, public relations logos as seen on, and we just added these effects. Our offers, you can see the hover effects, everything is custom coded, which I love. Some people say, why don't we have the native builder so I can change things? Because that's not the future of AI and how we do things. Everything is a command center. You just say, this is what I want. Can you do it for me? And so same thing here, best-selling author, 10 years of experience. Elena, got digital products, hire me to speak. I said add a couple of images, make it wider, and make the theme of the images the same, like orange type vibe. Inner Circle Mastermind, form again, connected to the form in high level. If you have a calendar, you can just say add my calendar, and it's going to find a calendar in your account, and just you click that one, it integrates directly. Frequently asked questions, I just said add an FAQ, add the footer. You just speak to it and it creates all of this stuff. We got real estate, beautiful background, beautiful font, uh, hover effects as well. Everything looks really good. Now, I'm not going to say that every time when you create something that is going to nail it with just one prompt. We can look at this one and you can see the prompts. There's been a few here where I say change the hero background image to be cleaner, less cluttered, and then add a gradient transparent layer to the portraits of our team. So like here, first I added the team, and then I said add a transparent layer to it. So you got to know how to prompt, but it's able to do that. And first was another image for Isabella, and I said make it similar so it's like from waist up to head, but leave some space above the head, similar to Alexander and Julian. And so it can do these things, generate the images. Here I would probably say crop it, make it sort of like a 4:5 aspect ratio, and it can do that. Here's another example, build a business you love using AI agents. You can see this effect here. It's looping around this sort of glowing border effect. That's all like custom code by HighLevel. The background image, I can make it also based on where I move around the page, it'll just have certain effects. Pretty simple, like standard page. This is not a final version, but it is one that was generated pretty quickly. So I wanted to share that one as well. Another use case, a lot of times we just want to start with a brand kit, color palette, mood board, a logo. And so I said, based on this image, so I'll show you. I said, based on this image, generate a brand kit, a mood board, right? And then it did that. And then I said, add a couple more images for the mood board. So it did that as well. And then we have something to start from, right? Obviously, the logo itself, it's not complete. It's a starting point. But a lot of people skip this part and then they wonder, why is the output not a 10 out of 10? Here's another one. Valence capital, long-term capital, clear conviction. You can see how beautiful this one is from one prompt. This is one prompt only. And you can see even the effects here. I just said model this page, rebuild it, but make changes to it. And pretty good. So way better than the previous funnel AI. And it's because it's custom coding and it doesn't have to use the native page editor, which I like. So a couple of things that will help you get better results. Go to dribbble.com, type in landing page design. If you want, you can type in real estate, you can type in restaurant, you can type in coach. You'll find something, like let's say you like this design. You can just right click, copy, come in here, and here you can just paste it in like that and say, model this. You can also, again, paste a link from your current site. You can also go to ChatGPT first, and you can say something like this: create a prompt based on this image, right? Reverse prompt it so I can recreate a similar type of design. And that's what I did. And I got the prompt, and then I generated something, and it's using I call it like a enriched prompt, an enhanced prompt, because ChatGPT or Claude or even inside of HighLevel, you can just say, create the prompt first, and it'll create an enriched prompt with more details around like maybe animations, hover effects, all the things that makes it have that little extra to it. It makes it pop, like people say. So anyways, if you have been using Lovable, you can go in here. You can see here's a similar one to the one that we did. And so very similar in the outcome. You can take the links, go to preview, take the links, pull them in here, and just say clone it. These are mine. And you can just literally rebuild them in minutes inside of HighLevel. So you're going to save a lot of time from not having to rebuild them manually. So that's how this works. That's how I use it. One thing that's going to be super powerful is understanding strategy. So I start with, this is an old slide, so forgive me for the bad design here. I think it's a good example. Homepage funnel, we got lead gen funnel, low ticket funnel, tripwire funnel, VSL funnel. The funnel strategy itself is going to be huge. It's very important that you nail the strategy, because then you can easily just build it. And the idea is when you can build anything, the value is in knowing what to build. So knowing if you need a website, knowing what is good taste, what makes it convert. These things are going to be super helpful. So study funnel psychology, study branding. But to be honest, a lot of times you can just ask AI for the perfect strategy, depending on what you want to sell. Help AI help take help from AI to create your offer. There's so much we can do with all these tools now, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity Computer, High Level, even High Levels. Ask AI. You can just ask for the offer, ask for these things. Ask AI can create your blog posts, write your emails for you. It's becoming like a place of super agents now, and it's so cool to see. And this is one of the things that I've been waiting for so long. So I'm so excited for this to roll out. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Sign up to High Level if you don't have an account. They have a 30-day trial, free trial. You can test out High Level. I'll put that below. It's an affiliate link, but you get 30 days free instead of 14 days. And then start using AI Studio, Ask AI, and High Level. And just know that we're just getting started. This is going to be amazing. I've been working with the developers for a very long time now. So shout out to an amazing team, to leadership, managers, developers, everybody putting in a lot of time and effort to create these amazing products and features. So I'll see you in the next one.